Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the YATCO Yacht Listing Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify. It's used to automatically collect yacht listings from YATCO. This scraper pulls detailed yacht listings data from YATCO, including specifications, pricing, broker information, and location details. It's designed for yacht brokers, marine professionals, and researchers who want structured market data without manual browsing. So, how does it work? All you have to do is select your specific filters. For example, we want a motor type yacht with these specifications. Let's say we want a minimum of 100K to 5 million. The year range, let's say 1990, 2029, and we click search. Now, to organize all these listings, all we have to do is copy the URL and paste it in our actor page. We select the maximum number of items to display, and we hit run. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. After the run finishes, just a couple of seconds, you'll see the results in this dataset table, which is on the Output tab. Each row represents a yacht listing with pricing, year, length, builder, and location information. You'll also see broker contact details, technical specifications, dimensions, and direct links back to the original YATCO listing. You can also download the data as a CSV, Excel, or JSON to support market research, price tracking, lead generation, or investment analysis in your workflows. This scraper is ideal for yacht brokers and marine professionals who want up-to-date YATCO listing data without any manual search. That's how the YATCO Yacht Listing Scraper works on Apify. If you have any issues, please let us know. And if you like this scraper, please leave us a review. Thank you.